everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be filming this look for you guys right here, which is my everyday makeup look. I added a liquid liner and a wearable lip combo for the spring, summer, and fall, and winter if you want to include all 4 seasons. So if you guys are interested in how I got this simple, easy, everyday wearable makeup look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. We're rolling. Alright guys, so I did my brows off camera. I'm trying to find a proper brow routine to share with you guys in the future, but for now we're just going to be doing brows off camera. I also concealed my lids and set them in place. I will be mentioning which products I used for that today. And yeah, let's just go in with the next few steps. I'm going in with my James Charles Morphe palette. This is the mini palette, and I think this is probably the best out of the two, simply because I'm a mirror girl. Okay, if I'm doing my makeup, I like to look at myself in the mirror up close and personal. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with is the first shade on the second row, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna literally apply it all over my lid. Now I have this soft brown eyeshadow shade. Literally, you guys, kid you not, this is the only eyeshadow I use on my everyday makeup look. I swear by it. I am going to hit pan soon. I mean, I'm assuming, because I literally use this shade every day. I swear I use it every day. It's the perfect transition shade for my skin tone as well, and I really love color. If you guys don't follow me on my Instagram, check me out, okay? I love messing with color, so I feel like this palette is perfect, especially for beginners, because you have a little bit of everything. You got your shimmer shades, you got your matte shades, you got your color shades, you got your neutral shades. It's a perfect shading palette for you. Bam. Okay, so now that I'm done applying the shade on my lids, I'm going to take my eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to tighten the lash line with a black eyeliner. Now, because I don't have the rest of my face makeup on, I look really crazy, but we're obviously not done yet. I'm just going to go in with some mascara. This is the Rimmel Scandal Eyes Volumizing Mascara. It's a pretty good mascara if you want some tint to your lashes, but I wouldn't really say it's the best mascara for like literally what it says it's going to do, which is give you volume. But I still think it's a nice mascara. It tints my lashes, and I feel like when you have a tinted mascara, it gives you the appearance that your lashes are more full. So I like that. Tell me why you wanna end. After applying my mascara, I'm going back in with that eyeshadow shade that we've been using and just fix up any places on my lid that I probably put mascara on. So most days when I'm going to grab some things and do my makeup real quick, this is what I'll be doing. A nice soft brown makeup look, super neutral, super easy, ready to go. But on other days, I do consider what I'm about to do next my everyday makeup look as well, because I like vary between the two, and for the most part they are the same. And that is liquid liner. Ooh. I love adding liquid liner to my makeup look, especially if you're not going to wear lashes. It really can ump your entire makeup look. So I'm going in with the Revlon Color Stay Sharp Line liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to go for something small, nothing crazy. That our love was in decline, I would have. Okay, so this is a nice simple wing. I'm gonna do the other wing off camera and we'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I did my liner and now my eyes are done for the most part. Let's move on to face. So for face, first product I'm going in with is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation. I love this foundation so much. They also have another foundation out, which I think is more for hydrating. I've used this product twice, like I purchased it twice, and it's a soft matte long wear foundation that you can build up. I really do like it. So I apply it like so, and it may appear lighter than my actual skin tone. That's because it is. but you know what? I work with it, and that's okay.
When it hurts like this.
Next, I'm going in with concealer. This is actually the concealer that I was mentioning earlier about my brows. So I love this one. I haven't used it in a while before repurchasing it recently. Next, after blending in all the concealer, I go in with my translucent powder. This is the Airspun translucent powder, and I just set everything in place. Now, as my face is baking, I'm going to go back in with the James Charles palette, going back in with that shade that we used earlier, and just apply it on my lower lash line. So while I still have all of this baking, I need some color, right? Like, I look so ghostly right now, it's insane. We're going to go in with the Milani Soleil Baked Bronzer. This is a really nice bronzer because it has some gold flexes in it. Now after that, I'm going to be applying blush, and I'm going to be using this blush right here. Now I have two other options, just like I did with the liquid liner versus like no liquid liner. I can either go in with eyeliner on my lower lash line or just mascara and no eyeliner. 90% of the time I go in with no eyeliner and just mascara, so that is what we're going to do today. We're almost done, guys. For lips, I'm just going to quickly moisturize them with any chapstick. First, I'm going to go in with this lip pencil from NYX, and it is in the shade Urban Cafe, and I'm just going to line them up. This is like a perfect fall lip, by the way, but I do like to wear it nearly every day. And then I'm going to apply this lip gloss from Dominique Cosmetics. It's in the shade Pink Lemonade. And that's the makeup look, you guys. So that concludes my video for today. My everyday makeup look. Something simple on the eyes. Added a wing liner, some tint to the lashes, and a very simple wearable lip combo for both summer and fall. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. And again, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, then subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I don't tell myself it's fine to be